Hi, I'm Lauren and today you're watching Kids Create. Today I want to talk to you about my brand new Etsy shop, Pink Party Kits. On my new Etsy shop, I sell things like scrunchies and bracelet kits. But my newest item that I wanted to share with you today is my party bots. So this is the outside of the party bots. And before I open it, I want to tell you a little about it. The party bots is for girls from around 8 to 12 years old. And it's for parties. So let's just say you're having a sleepover and you don't know what to do. You could order 5 of these boxes, one for each person, and you could have a fun time with everything that's in it. So now let me open it. When I open it, it comes with tissue paper. I just lift that up. And inside, you will find 12 items. They consist of 3 gel pens, 1 scrunchie, 1 nail file that's pink on one side and blue on the other, a bracelet kit. The bracelet kits may vary. This is the Purple Mermaid kit, a cute notebook, a nail polish, a sleep mask, a pouch to hold your things in, and a coloring sheet similar to this. These things are, for me, I picked out everything just because I really think that all of this would be super fun at a sleepover. These gel pens can be used to color this coloring page and play in your notebook. And when you're done with all this fun, you can put it in this bag. This bead kit is termed unassembled, but when it's assembled, it will look something like this. And the sleep mask will be really fun when you're tired out. We have a scrunchie, and if you want to get a scrunchie separately, those are in a separate listing in my shop. This nail polish, the colors may vary, but you get one of them, and it's so adorable. I love the color. This nail file is perfect to go with this mini nail polish too. The lip balms have you will either get a mermaid themed lip balm, or you will get a cupcake, a dessert themed lip balm. All of this is super fun to use, and it will have a night of fun. I had so much fun looking at this with you, and I really hope you will have fun if you get it. If you do want to get this box, the link will be in the description. Colors and styles may vary from the gel pens and more, but you are guaranteed to get every single thing in this box, just maybe different colors. The link in the description is here for everything, and remember to check out my other things that I sell in my shop. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. I had such a fun time making this. Make sure to check out that link. See you later.